Hello guys, so today we are heading towards Suqwa Cave. So I will show you today how exactly it looks in Qatar. See you guys. So this is the way going towards Suqwa Cave, and here it is. See guys, this is the well. It's a famous one in the Suqwa Cave. It's really nice. You can see how pretty it is. And this is the view of it. I mean from outside. And this is all the Suqwa Cave. It's really nice. You can also see their horse there. I'll show you. See guys, you can take a ride also here. I mean it should be some 10 riyals for a ride, but it's nice. So for the kids also, we have a kids area over here. If they don't want to walk and very lazy like us, they can go through it. And yes, let's take you. So this is basically the vendors who sits on the side, and the construction work is also going on the side in this way. We are going to Philippine market, and if you want to go also, this is the Masidi. From the Masidi you have to go in this way. Come, let's go. Here are these langu pingus. There are beautiful collection of watches, perfumes. Shop number 6. This is all the Philippine market where you start with. There are also some food areas. Let's go in guys. I really want to see. This is my first time as well coming here, so I hope it will be nice. I want to go to, oh, there are actually the shops over here inside also. I think we'll go here, no? Okay, let's go. Let's push. At least there is some AC here. Yeah, at least we get some AC here, no? Full of abayas. Guys, if you want, please come here. I'll not get commission, don't worry. Abayas are just for 50 riyals, guys. My god, it's really nice. It's really worth it. I mean, look at it. It's nice. And this is something I can see very nice here.
Shop really for 50.
No, now I don't want to go. But this is not brands. I think it's just copied. Of course not. Yeah. Vishnu want? Vishnu want or no? So let's go here. Let's see what you'll find here. Cute socks. Vanashri for your kid, upcoming kid. That is your selection. Vishnu, you already have a girl, no? You can maybe take it. It's nice. Let's see what chocolates you will get it. There are beautiful nuts here. I think we can go from here also, no? Let's go. Guys, we have come to a shop. It's only 10 riyals, you see. You can wear underneath like some huge tops, oversized tops and all. Nice. Actually, these are linens or what? No, not linens. Nice length also. And there are some kurtas also just for 20 riyals. Vanashri, that's for you for your marriage. This is nighty, not kurta. That's true for the first night. So we have come here to see some saris. Let's see. Oh, we have that silk also. These are my nice, yeah. How much is that for? Like this one, yes. 135.
Oh, only 35.
Only 35. I'd like
One
it.
saree 35?
I like that black and this one is just 35. Nice. With the black one, it will look really nice, really pretty. Vishnu also want? Guys, look at it. Struggle, struggle. Oh my! Welcome to my shop. We have become buddhi so fast. Grannies. Oh, this is nice. Whatever you want, you can take, okay?
So you can modify this with nice lace.
Exactly. Very nice. Come on, Mana. Finally, bite. Here are the burqas. Let's see. Very nice collections, as you can see here. Wow, very nice. You get different colors also, right? Pretty. That black one was really nice. Very pretty. You have the fancy collections also? Wow, this one is really pretty. Very nice. What is the price of this one? 100 real. Just 100 real, guys. You can come here anytime. I'll just 100 real. It's really nice. So any of you wants to come? So guys, this was the shop name, Parda Corner. It's really nice. So if you want any collections for Diwali or any of the festivals, you can go for this one. Oh my god, it's really pretty. Look at the white kurta, guys. Wow. So I think it starts from 75 real and it's really not bad. I mean, the quality and everything is so nice. One for you, Anashree. It's really nice, really pretty. So we are heading towards more other shops as well. Let's go. So humid. What is the temperature right now outside? Who can guess?
So now we go to Chor Market, okay?
Yes. It's actually Chor Market, like Chor Bazaar in Delhi. We have the same way.
35.
Yeah. So I got something as well. I believe you guys understood. I really love that sari, so I got that one for myself. And next month I think we'll come once again to buy something for her as well.
Next month? Last month.
She will
Okay,
leave.
we'll go here.
Madina Fashion, guys. Let's go in here. As you can see, shoes are only for 50 reals. Wow. 20 real shirt. Vishnu, this is for you. 20 real, huh? Nice jackets, jeans. Wow. Chanda idiyalva? This is very nice view, guys. It's really nice. I mean, look at it. They are going front, leaving me behind. Vishnu, actually I got so worried that is it you or this is the same shirts also you guys are wearing. Look at the front guy's shirt. It was similar like as you as well. Okay, let's go. The Manila store. It's all same, huh? So here is home sports trading as well. You get each and every items. Ring lights, phone accessories, each and everything. Also have the supermarket. Kaba. Oh, it's so humid outside, guys. Oof. So this is another Yalbash trading center. Oh my god, it's really nice here. Come for the first time, but I'll show you the jewelries and everything. Very pretty. One time I must say you should try as well. Let's go inside. So this is inside how it looks. You have 15 reals for boys section, and for girls if you go it's just like, guys, it's just 5 reals. Can you believe? 5 real. It starts from 5 real, 10 reals. There are some beautiful one pieces as well. You can see here. 35 real for the night wears. We have 15 reals inner wears and everything. I mean, you can find each and everything here as well. Even the kids wear is there. Cute hats. Oh my god! Look at the collection of the shoes. Oof, it looks so pretty. Fortunately, we met. Ayo. All the fancy things, each and everything is here. You can see here the beautiful bag collections also. Wow. I mean, whoever wants to just buy for the normal rough uses, you can definitely go for it.
Fish, right? Fish.
Today I don't.
So I believe each and every shops are going to close now. It's already, yeah. Dream World, I think here ATM Express. Wow. I only heard that in ATM the money will come, but this is different. I think here we need to give money and then the dresses will come. Actually, there is more shops. Really? East Optics. But there is one trading center there also. You can see. Where? Oh, there are bags here also. ATM Express. I can see their trading center, Point Trading Center. The shoes are really nice there. Okay, let's go here.
Yeah. The shop.
ATM Express only for 5-10 real. Let's go. These are the trolleys also. Dream World. All the trolley section. I mean, you can get the clothes also inside just for 15 reals. Bye bye. This is a food court. You guys want to eat something? Oh. There is chai soup. You want to eat, drink chai? Chai? Or some cold drinks? Come. So this area is basically into food, I believe. There is chai soup, cafeteria, basil, Perrine Fashion. This is Al Rabi. I think this is all about Philippine market. There is much more, but all the shops are being closed. So most of them I could not show you guys. But if you want to come this side, you can please, because there is a lot of items which is just like for 5-10 reals. It's very affordable as well. Hello guys, so we could not resist this heat, so literally we had to go back. So I could not take much of it because all the shops were closed and we were already late. This lady actually came very late, so we could not wait it for a longer time. So we are going to back to our home, and thank you so much. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.